Duplantis Design Group knows a thing or two about surveying. Since 1997, they've focused on exceeding customer expectations across a range of industries. And that commitment has made them an adopter of many cutting-edge solutions over the course of 2 decades. It's no surprise then that DDG is taking it to the skies. The group has adopted drone surveying equipment, including the MD LiDAR 1000 and MD Mapper 1000 DG from Microdrones, which empower them to collect the same amount of accurate and precise data in a single day as they traditionally have in 4. However, drone surveying isn't without its challenges. For a key project, DDG has been asked to survey a space a mere 5 miles from an airport, meaning clearance and airspace issues have cropped up. Join DDG on its journey to navigate these obstacles, collect unprecedented data, and do it all on schedule. Only on Down to Earth.
I've been with DDG for approximately a year and a half, flying for DDG using the microdrone system. Microdrones makes it pretty simple to adapt. Planning the mission for this project, it's about 1,200 acres. So the process I go through, I use Google Earth, I create a KML, and I divide the missions up in blocks. I have stations set up, and I'll go station to station moving my setups. It cuts down on, you know, battery life, and it's more efficient working that way. Keeps you close to the drone. Obviously, it has to be in your line of sight when you're flying at all times. So it creates a good workflow, and there's no question of what you've done and what you have left. I contacted the traffic controller, told him the altitude I was going to be flying at, and he approved me flying. Obviously, I was below his ceiling height. He just wanted a day's heads up that I was going to be flying the area. So I'm checking UAV forecast on my phone, and the wind conditions are picking up within the next hour. So we're going to go ahead and set up and try to get some flying done. The wind gusts are really picking up. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fly today. While unboxing the drone, the wind gusts are around 30 miles an hour, so it's just not safe to fly today. We're going to pack it up and try again tomorrow.
All right, so I'm Robert Chrisman with Microdrones. I'm the marketing manager, and we are showing up on site here in Houma, Louisiana with DDG. I'm not really sure what to expect today. The weather is not looking in our favor. We've got high winds forecasted, as well as a storm front moving in. It's going to bring about a good bit of rain. So hoping we can get out here and get some stuff knocked out, but just going to depend on what the weather does for us when we get on site. Hey Justin.
How's it going, Robert?
Going well, man.
Justin, DDG.
Yeah, good to see you, good to see you. Thanks for having us out. I was kind of hoping we can come out and get some flying done today, but it looks like the weather's pretty much not going to let that happen.
The wind's picked up. We're going to go to the office and build some more missions and get a good overall understanding of the site.
Okay, so we can take a look at the planning and all that stuff. Maybe look at pre-planning before using MD cockpit and everything.
Absolutely.
The wind conditions aren't going to allow us to fly the drone today. The weather is always going to be an issue with surveying, so we're going to need to reschedule the actual flying portion. We're going to do some ground control today and then plan on flying in the next few days after the weather passes.